Shine is a painting system where two different materials are applied one over the other and glossy or opaque surfaces are obtained. Demanded patterns can be achieved depending on the tool used in application. It can be wiped with water and is anti-static. It is used with its priming in the interior walls of the buildings, gypsum casting, brute concrete, and wood after the surface preparation. Shine sponge pattern painting application is applied on surfaces where interior surface preparation is over, and it is applied after shine base and before shine finish. Shine base is applied in two coats. Shine base is stirred homogeneously with 20% clean water before the first coat. It is applied on the surface using a roll with short furs or a paintbrush. The roll should be used in one direction only and no traces should be left. It will be proper to use a small brush where the roll is too big. The first coat of the shine should dry for at least 4 hours in room temperature before the second coat. It is the time for the second coat after the first is dry. Shine base can be thinned with 10% water, or it can be used as it is for the second coat. Stirring very well is really important. As in the first coat, in the second coat application the roll should be used in one direction only and no traces should be left. The consumption is 250 to 300 grams per square meter for 2 coats depending on the smoothness of the surface or the application technique. After shine base is entirely applied, wait for 24 hours for a fully dry at room temperature. It is the time for shine finish, after the surface is sufficiently dry. Shine finish should be thinned with 25% water prior to usage. Natural sea sponge is used for this application. The sponge should be dipped in shine finish and get equal amount of paint at each and giving design patterns by hitting on the surface with systematic strokes. A diagonal way should be followed on the surface during the application. During the application, natural sea sponge should be cleaned by frequently stippling on a cardboard. The consumption is 40 to 50 grams per meter square, depending on the smoothness of the surface or the application technique. You may use a small brush for the points where sponge can't touch. After shine sponge pattern painting system is entirely applied, wait for 24 hours for a fully dry in room temperature.